Hi guys, it's Neetu, and today I'm reviewing two face masks by Etude House. And face masks are just these sheets that you put on your face, and they're soaked in serum. I generally use each pack twice because there's so much serum in there that you can use it twice. I leave them on my face and I let them sit there. I tap it on, and I leave them on for 15 to 30 minutes, and I mean that's how I do it. Sometimes I leave them on a lot longer because I forget that I'm wearing them. How do you forget that you're wearing these? I don't know. These are the ABC face masks by Etude House. It says on the back that A stands for always mask, B stands for best ingredient, and C stands for condition and care. So I got the At one, which is snail, and I got the Q one, which has coenzyme Q10 in it. So I'll start with this one first, and so I've actually used this twice. And coenzyme Q10 helps stimulate collagen, and it's supposed to be anti-aging, so it's an anti-aging mask. So what it says on the back is, this mask sheet contains coenzyme Q10 that helps protect skin's natural elasticity to enhance and firm complexion with a healthy glow. You apply toner after cleansing, and then you put this on, and it is a actual sheet like mask that you put on your face, and it fit my face perfectly. So for both these masks, they fit quite well. They're thicker than the Innisfree It's Real masks or the My Beauty Diary face masks, and those are the ones that I usually wear. So I have the Q10 face mask on by Etude House, and I keep all my face masks in the fridge, so they're always cool when I put it on. So this has a bit of, I don't know, almost like it's making my face kind of hot kind of feeling actually, or I don't know, kind of tingling or something like that. It's a very creamy consistency, similar to the avocado face masks that most of the brands make, you know, an avocado one as well, and it's always usually a creamy consistency as well. It looks really funny on. It fits my face quite well. I know a lot of people complain about it, but Innisfree, Etude House, and My Beauty Diary do fit my face quite well. The Nature Republic ones as well. I think there was a Face Shop line that didn't fit my face that well, but so I don't really have much of a problem with the fitting. It's okay. I think this is gonna be a very hydrating type of mask as well, something that's good for winter. Honestly, I didn't notice a big difference with this mask. I did feel that it was hydrating, and I'm going to show you the before and after pics, but actually I didn't see a difference in the before and after. Maybe my skin was just a little bit more hydrated. So both of these are silicone and paraben free. They have quite good ingredients in them. The sheets are actually a bit thicker than the My Beauty Diary or It's Real face mask sheets from Innisfree. I really like the Innisfree ones and the My Beauty Diary ones, is in particular the Black Pearl one. And with the Black Pearl one, I really felt brightening after. You can see that it really hydrated your skin and had a bit of a brightening effect as well. But with this, I didn't really notice anything. Maybe all I did was just hydrate my skin a bit, and that's it. So the other sheet mask that I tried on was the snail one, and it's symbolized by the at mark. I don't know why, but it has snail mucus extract in it, and this is also paraben free, silicone free, and so the ingredients in it seem quite safe and good. It has citric acid in it, it has lactic acid in it. When I put this on, and again, this fit my face very well. When I put this on, I did feel after a while like a tingling or cooling effect, which I didn't really feel with the Q10 mask. I felt like this didn't really do anything. The serum looks really thick and really nice, but I don't know. I had higher expectations for this, so I don't know. I didn't really notice a difference, but you can see the before and after pics and judge for yourself. On the back of both of these face masks, it says to discontinue use if signs of irritation and or rash appear, because you never know. There's Nelumbo nucifera leaf extract in it. There's Prunus mume fruit extract in it. You never know what you could irritate your skin or what you could be allergic to. So I don't know, but yeah. So I did feel a tingling. I did feel a coolness. So both of these masks didn't really impress me, but I think that it's just fun to use them and to put them on, and they do hydrate the skin, and that's about it. I find that in general, face masks just hydrate the skin. They're kind of scary too, like at least to my husband. When he sees me wearing these, like, oh, you look like a ghost. So, but okay, I don't care. But I don't care. In conclusion, I like these face masks. They are fun to use. They're interesting. They hydrate the skin. But other than that, they don't really have any long-term effects, but they cost like $1 each. So you're not gonna lose anything there. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!